everyone. Let us discuss some question. Count digit occurrence. In this question, we need to count how many times a digit occurred in a number, in a given number. Here 2 is occurred 3 times, so output is 3. Now take a number and a digit input from the user, then take a while loop. A while number is greater than 0, take out the remainder number mod 10. Check whether the remainder is equal to our digit or not. If it is equal, then count plus equals to 1. Initialize count to 0, then number is equals to number by 10. Let us write the code. Print enter number and digit. Let us consider number and digit equals to map of in comma input dot split. This line takes the number and digit input. Now while number is greater than 0, calculate the remainder. Before that, put count equal to 0, number modulo 10. If remainder double equal to digit, then count plus equal to 1. Number is equals to number divided by 10. Print number, print count. One, two, 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 1. 2 is occurred 3 times in this number, so the output is 3. Next question, balance parenthesis. A string will be given which contains the opening braces and closing braces. We need to print balance if number of opening braces is equal to number of closing braces. Let us write the code. for character in S. Check if character is equal to the opening braces. Then opening brace is +1, else closing brace will be +1. At last, if opening double equal to opening double equal to closing, then print balanced, else print not balanced. Let us run the code. Balance, since two opening braces and two closing braces. Again balance, 1 2 1 2 3 opening braces and 3 closing braces. If I entered now 2 closing and 3 opening braces, now it is not balanced.